Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sniper Wolf. So let's get started. To draw cute Leah, we're going to need to first start by drawing her glasses. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw a soft curve across. So this is going to be the top of her glasses. And about right there, I'll start to come down. So then come back right here. We're just going to give a little edge right here, come in, and then I'm going to bring this down. And same thing over here. Just angle a little bit, angle a bit here, and connect at the bottom. There, something like that. And then let's come across. So about right here, you draw a bridge for her glasses. And then once again, just like the other side, I'm going to go up and come across. And let's see here, about right here. I'll come down and give it that little ridge again, come in, and then once again, come down, just like the other side. And just want to make sure I'm about the same level. And connect. There, so I have the two frames in. So let's come in here and I'm just going to give it a very thin edge right here. So I'm just going to go all the way across, around to create this thin frame. We can't make it too thick because we still have to put her eyes inside. So we need a bit of space. So about right there, and then let's draw the bridge part right here. Thicken this up. And once again, just like the other side, come right here and thicken it up. Okay, so now that we've thickened it up, we need to come in and draw her eyes. So I'm going to come in here and draw a circle that touches the top of the glass. So come around right here. Not too big because we don't really have much space. So just create the circle right inside, and same thing over here. So touching the top and create a circle right inside. It's so delicate, right? Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So the hardest part is finally done. I'm just going to put in two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you for all the requests to draw Sniper Wolf. And sorry it's taken me so long. This request has been coming in on and off for a long time. And I finally drew her. So I really hope you love how she turned out. I think it was her glasses that intimidated me. So finally I did it. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come in here and I'm just going to draw in two curves just for indication of lashes. There, won't really see it, but at least there's some indication, right? You can even pop them out right here if you want. There, and then let's come down right here in between and we're going to draw her mouth. So right here in the center, give her a big smile and then cap it off. There. So then now that we have this in, let's come in and frame her face. So we want her face to be a little bit inside. So let's say about right here and here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw a curve right underneath her mouth. So it's as if I was drawing the usual bottom of view. I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper So go right there, in the center, and then go up. This part is very delicate. Okay, so we have her face in. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw her face in first, and then you can put in the glasses. Maybe that's a little bit easier. Pop this out a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that finally in, we can continue. Let's imagine this coming through. So about right here, I'm just going to bring up her face. So imagine this as an oval. So about right here, I'm going to bring it up. And then in this area right here, I'm going to stop because her hair parts on the side. I'm going to bring a big curve all the way down towards her glasses. Basically hitting her glasses and out. There. And then her brows, right? We need to draw her brows or else it looks really weird. So right here, her eye, come up, about right there. And I'm just going to draw a soft arc all the way across and just thicken it up. And same thing right across, about right here. So we're just going to see a little bit of it and come in. Whatever space you have left. There. Okay, so then now let's come up here with this curve. This point you've created, we're going to go up and curve it up. And let's bring it nice and high. So about right there. Then in this area, I'm going to bring it down. So that's where her hair parts, and I'll just give a little wobble and wobble out. And then this side, we're going to continue up. And I'm going to stop about right here because I want to give her some wolf ears if you want to do that. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish that curve first. But I'll stop about right here and I'll draw a big curve that comes across. So just imagine this is still coming down. And then, let's see here, let's just bring this down. And right here, I'll give it a little curve that comes out and out. So let's draw the ear. So right here in the space I've created, I'm going to come out and just pop in these ears. Come inside and then just draw some zigzags and finish it off. So on the other side, about right here, and drag this point across about right here. Create the other ear. Round off the tip and just bring it down. And just like the other side, and in. There. Okay, so we for sure know it's Sniper Wolf, right? Okay, so then from there, we'll finish her hair a little bit later and let's draw her body. So right in the center, I'm gonna give her a little neck. I'll bring her shoulders down, curve it down, and down, right there. Find her armpit, so say about right here and here. And I'm going to draw 2 slight angle lines out. From there, let's come back in this area and I'm going to draw a big curve for a top right across. And I'll bring this down a little bit more. So I'm just giving her this little cut off top right here. So I'm just going to cut it off with this little wobble right there. Then bring it down for her waist. Right here, and then I'm going to bring it across. I'm going to draw some shorts on her, so cut it off and then once again come out, and I'm going to bring this down a little bit. But before I finish that, let's come straight down and about right here I'm going to draw a slight angle line, and let's put 2 angles in here. And then now we can continue this. So I'm going to bring this out. And about right there, go ahead and connect it. Same thing over here. And up. And now for her legs, since we're down here, let's keep going. So towards the inside more. I'm going to come about right here and here. And right there. So let's continue. Let's bring this down, just straight down and thinner as we come down. And about right there, I'll stop and I'm going to cut it off and draw her shoe. So come down towards the center, give a little wobble, and connect. So same thing on the other side. Down, down, and once again connect. And for her shoe. There. And then for some details on her shoe, one curve, top curve, and then the sides. You can put in some laces if you like. Same thing over here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'll bring down this part right here, just give it a little sleeve, bring it in. As always, the hardest part is trying to figure out what to have these famous YouTubers wear, right? Because they have so many outfits. So really hope you love the outfit I gave her. And so let's have her arms come down. And I want her hands to be about in this area. So let's give it a little dip towards the waist and it comes out. And let's see here, about right here. Come down and about right here, I'm going to give her a thumb. And then her fingers, just angle a little bit and bring it in. There. So same thing on the other side. Curve. Towards the end, her waist in and then come out. Right there and thumb and fingers. There. And then now for some details on her outfit. For her shorts, let's bring in a little band right here that comes across. Some loops. A button, center line. The center right there, some pockets. And let's see here. Of course, we're going to have to put a big heart right here to make her my sniper wolf, right? So put a big heart right in front. And I know she wears chokers a lot, so I'll just put one right here. So I'm trying to put as many things as possible to make sure you know this is Sniper Wolf. Okay, so then let's come right here. Just gonna simply just wobble my way through for her gorgeous hair. So same thing here. Wobble, give it a little strand here and there and in. And let's see, am I missing anything? I think that's pretty much it. I really hope you think this looks like Sniper Wolf. She was a little bit challenged for me to draw, so I really hope you love how she turned out. And I helped to draw her as well. And if you are a big fan of hers, please definitely let her know that I drew her and hopefully she'll see this. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.